Hey everybody, my name is Jake and I am a division leader at a local mortgage brokerage named X5 Home Loans. I have been a loan officer for the better half of a decade now, and I wanted to put together a quick video just to help educate people on the advantages and the disadvantages with the VA loan. So why don't we go ahead and start with the positive? And, I would say, in my experience, that this could be arguably the most powerful loan option on the market. Now, a lot of people hear government-backed loans, and that typically can scare them. But in terms of advantages, the signature benefit of this program is that there's, for the last 70 years, offered the ability to purchase a home with 0% down payment. Now, that's not only huge in and of itself, because you can finance 100% of your purchase price, but also there's no mortgage insurance. So you're financing a large percentage of the purchase price, and you don't get penalized with mortgage insurance as part of your monthly payment. Now, on a conventional loan, to compare, you're going to have to put down 20% to avoid PMI, and on an FHA loan, you're going to have PMI no matter how much you put down for the life of your loan. So, no down payment, very great low interest rate. Actually, VA loans have had some of the lowest rates that we've seen on average in the last 6 years and counting. No down payment, no PMI. You also don't need to have a sky-high credit score. The VA kind of takes that into consideration and prices things differently than they would on a conventional loan. And additionally, the VA will go down to a 620 minimum FICO, so you don't have to have perfect credit by any means to qualify for this benefit. The reason for all of this, why is it so flexible, is that the government made a promise to the veterans and their families that if they serve our country and they put their lives on the line, that they're going to get a benefit. And that is, what we're talking about right now. But it's not, I don't want to paint grass is always greener type of scenario. There are other types of financing options, and in certain scenarios, it could make sense to go with those over a VA loan, even if you're eligible. So one of those situations would be the occupancy. How do you want to occupy the property? Is this going to be a primary residence? Will this be a second home? Will this be an investment property? Now, the one drawback, or one of the drawbacks to the VA loan, is that you can only purchase a primary residence utilizing that benefit. So if you are in the market for an investment property or a second home, conventional is going to be a better option for you. Now, another scenario where conventional could be a better option is you're a veteran who has 20% down or more. Maybe you've owned a home in the past. You're cashing out the equity, putting that down on your next purchase. You've got really great credit. You should really take a long, hard look at whether or not the VA loan is right for you, because there is a VA funding fee for most people who utilize that, unless if you have a service-connected disability. So that's quite a bit of money that gets rolled into the top of your loan. Now, you can have the seller pay for this, but I find a lot of people do finance it in. And if you are putting down 20% or more and you have great credit, you really want to work with your broker to figure out whether conventional could be a better option for your scenario. And at the end of the day, that's really what it boils down to, right? The point of this video is to say there's no one solution for any one borrower. Everybody is unique, every situation is different, and you want to work with an expert that's going to be able to give you guidance that you can count on to be able to make that home purchase and in the way that you want to. That's going to be transparent and easy and comfortable. So if I can be of service to anyone who's interested in any of that information, my contact information will be on the next screen here. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.